this episode, we bring you TikTok-inspired video advertising ideas, ExoClick's new in-page push notifications ad format, and we look at the strategies behind Facebook and Ray-Ban's new smart glasses. You're watching The Additive, the show that brings you all things AdTech. Hello and welcome to the show. Now I've got a question for you. Why is every major social media platform trying to imitate TikTok? Well, it's because the app's content is getting massive user attention. App Annie carried out an analysis in June 21 and found out that in the US and the UK, TikTok surpassed YouTube in terms of Android watch time. Now in June, TikTok users in the US watched an average of 24 hours of video compared to 22 hours and 40 minutes on YouTube. And in the UK, it's an even bigger drop for YouTube at 16 hours compared to TikTok at 26 hours. This goes to show that short content video is exponentially popular because, well, it's short and entertaining and making it quick for viewers to digest. Now, TikTok primarily shows video content that's around 15 seconds in length, which, funnily enough, is the usual length of a video ad, so advertisers can easily create in-stream, out-stream and video slider ad content, but do it in the style of TikTok content. So advertisers can easily film and edit a short entertaining video using a smartphone that links to the product or the offer that you are promoting for an instantly memorable ad. So here at The Additive, we decided to get creative and give you a couple of ideas that maybe can get you started with this type of content for your video ads. So, photo tricks and transitions are hugely popular on short video apps like TikTok and Instagram and YouTube. Now also these platforms have lots of how I made this photo transition tutorials, so basically you get to see the transition and then how they made it. So as an example, let's check out this cool transition. Now you can take this concept and turn it into a video ad. For example, after the banana is shown, you could add a voiceover text. Don't be a banana, unpeel the latest AdTech news by watching The Additive. Another hugely popular genre for short videos are life hacks, which you can also tag your product to. So what about this for an idea?
You ever wonder why these crackers have these ridges on them? They are to cut your cheese. Look at that. Perfect size and everything.
Impress your date with this hack when you meet on singles.com. Join now! TikTok, Instagram, all of these platforms are full of inspiration to make your ads more humorous, creating entertainment for your potential customer, generating talkability for your product, and really making it stand out from the crowd. We recommend that you create your video ads in horizontal mode, though, because it fits in with more video ad zones on target websites. And remember, don't steal content or social media platform logos from these apps, but by all means copy or expand upon creative ideas. And as I said, it's easy to film and edit with your smartphone. Now it's time to talk about a different ad format, ExoClick's new in-page push notifications. Now with traditional push notifications, users have always had to opt in to a subscription on a website and they were never shown on iOS devices. In-page push notifications change all that because they are basically a display ad but designed to look just like a push notification. So for publishers, this is great news, as users don't have to subscribe to see the in-page push notifications, so you can monetize all of your users with the format. You can also show up to 2 in-page push notifications per page, and you can set the screen position and the delay time between showing both ads. And it's fully Google compliant with a close ad button. And what about for advertisers? Well, the ad fades in quickly onto the screen, and its design features rounded corners, making the ad format really stand out to the end user, and obviously this brings a higher CTR. The creative is an image icon on the left and text on the right for a title and description. And what's more, you can use emojis and dynamic keyword tokens to automatically change the text to an end user's local area. So for example, if you have a dating offer and are targeting Barcelona daters, the system will dynamically change the region token to Catalonia. So meet singles in Catalonia now. Get more info about this new ad format and tutorials for ad zone setup and campaign setup at ExoClick's blog. Facebook is entering the wearables market by releasing smart glasses in partnership with Ray-Ban. Now, the focus of the glasses right now is on capturing photos, but Facebook says it plans to embed augmented reality functionality in the future. Now, the glasses aren't a standalone product, so music and calls are streamed to the glasses from an iPhone or Android phone via Bluetooth using an app called Facebook View. Many have tried to enter the wearables glasses market. I mean, if you remember, there was Google Glass back in 2013, Snapchat Spectacles in 2016, Amazon launched a smart glasses that takes calls and uses Alexa in 2019, and Apple also plans to enter the glasses space with something related to AR. So Facebook and Ray-Ban's offering has dual 5-megapixel camera sensors, Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi to synchronize with a phone, a battery, storage for 500 photos, speakers, Facebook voice assistant, a button to record photos and videos, and hand gestures will control music playback. So it's quite packed with features. Now, there are two very intelligent strategies for Facebook here. Firstly, Ray-Ban is part of Luxottica Brands, which owns the rights to Oakley, Chanel, Prada, Burberry, and dozens of other name brand glasses, giving Facebook a product with massive global reach for the fashion industry and consumers. But secondly, from an ad tech point of view, the glasses will allow Facebook to build out its advertising and messaging business without having to rely on operating systems and gadgets created by competitors such as Apple and Google. And with Facebook owning Instagram and WhatsApp, the potential could be huge for Facebook to establish itself as the market leader here. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and also you can knock on the notifications bell to be notified when we've got a new episode out. So thanks for watching, and all I've got to say is until next time.